Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon bars. So we are going to need a biscuit base and a lemon topping. So for the biscuit base you will need 175 grams of plain flour, 125 grams of butter diced, and 50 grams of Demerara sugar. Firstly, add your sugar to your plain flour and just give it a mix. And then add your butter, and just using the tips of your fingers, you just want to rub it in so then it resembles breadcrumbs. Once it's a breadcrumb consistency, you then want to try and bring it all together to make a dough. Then, having lined my tin with baking paper, my tin is 18 centimetres by 28 centimetres. You just then want to press down the dough into the bottom of it, making sure that it's nice and even. Then, using a fork, just prick the top. And then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5. 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 20 minutes, then allow to cool. And then for the lemon topping you will need 200 grams of caster sugar, 25 grams of flour, 3 eggs, and you want the zest of 3 lemons and 200 millilitres of juice. So I juiced 4 lemons and I did end up having to top the rest up with lemon juice that I had in the cupboard. So just keep in mind that you may need to buy some lemon juice just to have, because you might not have enough juice in your lemons. To a bowl, add your sugar and your flour and zest 3 of your lemons into the bowl. And then just give this a little stir. And then you want to just juice all of your lemons, and like I say, just make sure that it makes 200 millilitres, so you may need to top up with more lemons or more lemon juice should you have some in the cupboard. Then to your dry ingredients, add your eggs and your lemon juice and give this a stir. And then whisk it until it's really nicely combined. Don't worry about getting it like light and whipped and fluffy or anything like that. You don't need to do anything like that. You just need to make sure it's nice and combined. So just whisk it for a couple of minutes just by hand. Then pour your lemon topping on top of your biscuit base. Then, having reduced the temperature in your oven, bake in an oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted. For 20 to 25 minutes, or until the topping doesn't wibble anymore, so if you jiggle the tray it is set. Then, just as a nice topping to it, I just like to sieve some icing sugar over the top, but this is completely optional. And there you have it. That's how you make lemon bars.